I'm going to show you guys how to make a pumpkin that you can then paint or color or do watercolor on. There's lots of different options, and what you need is a piece of printer paper. So take your paper and fold it in half, match up those corners. And open it back up. We're actually going to be able to make 2 different pumpkins from one piece of printer paper, so I'm just going to cut that in half. You could fold it a bunch of times and then rip it apart, but you're going to need scissors later, so might as well use scissors for this step too. Alright, now we're going to fold it, and we want the edges to meet, but one side's going to be bigger and one side's going to be smaller. It's kind of a 2/3 and 1/3 deal. Now, on the bigger side, cut your stem. Go down about 1 inch, move over about 1 inch, go down about 1 inch. It's not very exact. Now, take the corner that's on the inside next to the stem and fold it down and away. You want an angle, and do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to take these top corners, we're going to fold them down and in. All of these folds that we're doing, they're just trying to get that pumpkin silhouette. Now the bottom corners, I'm going to fold them up and in. And I'm going to fold the sides in. And I'm just going to fold these ones down a little bit so they're not so pointy. Alright, and you could stop there and just have a flat bottomed pumpkin, which might be preferred by some people, but you can also cut out a little divot. Try and make it look a little bit more like a real pumpkin that you would see. Now, with my kids, we did a lot of different things with this. I colored the pumpkin, and then one of my children drew with black marker, and that was with colored pencil. I also did that with marker. I colored it with marker, and then they drew the face with black marker. We also did where they painted the whole thing. And then we did a lot of them where I painted the orange and then they painted the rest. Got a lot of different beautiful pumpkins with that one. And then this one, they wanted to learn how to fold it themselves, and then they did watercolor. We also have some more pumpkins they folded themselves and did watercolor. And my husband made a pumpkin pie. I hope you guys have fun with this project because we sure enjoyed it. Oh, and one more thing you could also do, I didn't do this one, but you could get orange construction paper, make a pumpkin, and then just do black construction paper for cutting and gluing the face. I hope you guys have fun. Bye.